Hello, this quick tutorial will help you set up your OverDrive app on your iPad or any other device that you choose to use it on. You'll be able to access hundreds of free ebooks and audiobooks using your Radnor High School computer network login information. When you open the app, if you have never opened it before, you'll need to click Sign Up. You can see on the sign up form, you'll need to enter your name, your email address 2 times. You'll set a password, and when you've done that, go ahead and click the sign up button at the bottom here. Looking up at the top, these 3 lines are going to be your access to the menu, or you can choose to swipe across to see the menu. As you do that, your menu will pop up. You can see you'll have access to your bookshelf and your account here. You can manipulate your settings and so on. The first thing you'll want to do if you have not added a library yet is click Add a Library. You can see that as you add libraries, you can actually add multiple libraries and access more than one as you use this app. When you search for a library for Radnor Township School District, you want to type that text right in the search box right there, or you can use 19087 and click Search. When you do that, you'll see a list of options. You will want to add Radnor Township School District, or if you're actually using your Delaware County Library card, you can add Memorial Library of Radnor Township as well. Once you've selected a library, you'll just have one extra step. You'll click the star, and that will be added to your main menu. When you open our library, you'll see our home page looks the same no matter what device you're on. You'll be able to narrow by different subjects and genres, different collections. You'll have access to your account and help information. You can search for a book, or you can start to browse anywhere in the collection here. You can see that books with a lighter gray icon like this one are already checked out, but if you click on the cover, you can place a hold. That one in particular is an ebook. You can see that the audiobooks have headphones as their icon in the upper right-hand corner. So let's walk through checking out a book. If I would like to check out Killing Lincoln by Bill O'Reilly, I will go ahead and click on the cover, and it will prompt me to sign in. You're going to use the same username and password that you use to log into any of our school computers. And I would recommend remembering your login information, just because if it's your personal device, it will be one less step for you to check out a book or ebook or audiobook next time. Once you've signed in and you're checking this book out, you can see that it appears on your bookshelf. And you can either immediately return it if it was a mistake, or what you'll most likely want to do is download it to your device so that you can read it when you're not connected to the internet. You also have the option of reading it in your browser. You can see it expires in 14 days, but if you'd like to change that, you can click this settings button right here, and you can keep it for either 7, 14, or 21 days. You can also give our community some feedback by rating it, giving it some stars after you've finished reading it, and that might be helpful in the long run. You can see our checkout limit over here is 3 ebooks and audiobooks per person at one time. You can also put books on hold, and you can also create a wish list if you're interested in that. Going back to downloading it, once you click download, you'll have a couple of different options. If you are using your Kindle app or your Kindle, you can click Kindle ebook. If I'm on my iPad though, if you are on your iPad, you'll want to click Adobe EPUB ebook. And once you click that, you can see you'll also be asked to confirm and download. Then what you'll want to do is go back to those 3 lines up at the very top and select your bookshelf to download your book. And here it is right here. If you click on it, it will open the book up to the first page. And just to go through a couple of features, once you're in the book, you can tap on any word to get its definition or access Wikipedia. If you tap in the middle, anywhere in the middle of the screen, you'll see the menus pop up at the top. Here's the table of contents up there, and here's some other options down here that we'll take a look at in a minute. When you click the table of contents, it looks like this. You can see right now we're on the prologue. You can skip to any part of the book or just start reading. And to change the pages, you just either swipe or tap to the right or tap to the left to go back. Looking down at the bottom here, you can see that you have the option to change some of these settings, as in how many columns you're looking at, the text alignment and line spacing, and so on. If you click the capital A, lowercase a, you can see that you can manipulate the font and the backgrounds. You can have it either white, black, or sepia. You also have the option to email and shoot it to your Goodreads or tweet about your book as you go. You can see that you can change the brightness. And you can also see down here that we're on page 8 of 498, and you can also see how many pages we have left in our chapter. That's it for our overview. If you have any questions, stop by the library. We'll be happy to help you, and we'll be adding books to this app frequently, so be sure to check back often. Thanks so much.